Hi, I'm Stine from Vallerret, and here's a guide on how to use the harness that comes with the Alta Overmitt. So the Alta Overmitt comes with a glove harness, and the glove harness is separate by you clicking onto your gloves into the holes here. So both of your gloves are hanging from the harness, and it has a strap that goes over your head. I'm just gonna wear it now. Then you have an adjustable breast strap here, so if you need more room you can adjust it here. You also can adjust the neck strap on both sides here on these metal clips. So you can adjust how long. If you're a tall person, you might need a little longer than I do, but this is a quite nice fit for me. So the harness helps catch the gloves when I don't need to wear them, like when I need to work with my hands. If I was wearing the gloves, I simply drop them down, and either I can choose to let them hang loose, but what we recommend and what we love is that you stow away your gloves on the back so they are not in the way and you just feel completely free and don't have to think about them. So you put them behind here. You can either spin them or use a carabiner that is designed to connect the gloves, like that. And I can do whatever I want. And when I want to use them again, I just bring them forwards and put on my sleeping bag. So that's the harness, the functionality of it. Enjoy! I'm Stine from Vallerret. Thank you for watching.